In this video, you'll learn an intermediate advanced tap combination to the song Haunted Steps. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. If you want to download the song, you can click on the link below, and if you want to learn the entire combination, you can join my YouTube channel membership. Without further ado, let's jump in. Starting with the right foot, you have scuff, dig, step, spank, step, heel, scuff, dig, step, spank, step, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, stamp. Again, that was fall lap, heel, heel, spank step, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, stamp. Actually, that left foot's a spank step. I'm gonna show that again. 6, 7, 8, fall lap, heel, spank step, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, stamp. Super. Connect it from the top. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From there, left foot, spank, or scuff, dig, step, spank, step, heel, scuff, dig, step, spank, step, heel, stamp, riffle, step, stamp, riffle, step, stamp. I'll do that left side again. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful, my friends. Let's connect it all from the top. 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From there, double cramper roll, spank step, double cramper roll, stamp, double buffalo, stomp heel, double buffalo, stamp. Let me show you that again from the double cramper. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, that's double buffalo, stomp heel, double buffalo, stamp. From there you have heel, heel, toe, toe, shuffle, step, heel, stamp, heel, heel, toe, toe, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. Again, that is a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8. Let's connect that from the double cramp roll. 6, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, and a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, 7, 8, a 1, and a 2, a 3, a 5, and a 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8. Beautiful. Let's go back and connect top. 6, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, and 4, a 5, and a 6, 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and a 3, 4, 5, and a 6, 7. A 1, and a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, and a 6, 7. A 1, and a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, and a 6, 7. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, and 8. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. It's a double cramp roll, dig, dig. Again, that's toe, heel, double cramp roll, dig, dig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool. Let's connect that from top. 6, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! Let's hit that one more time, then we'll try it all with some music. 6, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, no extra heel there. 6, 7. Got a little excited. Beautiful, my friends. Let's try this with music. The song is called Haunted Steps. We're starting 10 seconds into the song. If you want to download it, click on the link below. Full disclosure, it was created primarily with AI. I'm going to make a little adjustments, but generally the AI did the work for me. So if you want the music, you can click on that link. And if you want more structured content, you can hop on over to UnitedTaps.com. Lessons, choreography, tap dictionary and syllabus, workouts, across the floor combos, in the center combos, music, a little bit of everything. All right, let's try it. We're going to try it 10% under to get the feel for it, and then we'll boost our speed up. It's going to feel slow. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost place to be gives a chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they scream. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away.
One more time. time at the slower speed, then I'm going to boost it up a bit. Here we go, minus 10. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance
Nice.
the night away.
Beautiful, my friends. Let's boost it up to minus 5%. That's a 5% jump. And we'll give it a shot. It'll be a little bit more brisk, but still manageable, hopefully. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance
Nice.
the night away. Feel the groove that's
Roll it
here to
again,
stay.
same
Spooky
speed.
tunes and eerie
Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's
Yes.
dance the night away. Feel the groove
Woo.
that's here to stay.
One more time this speed, then we're going to do the real deal. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on,
Nice.
let's dance the night.
All right, my friends, boost it up to the real deal. You got this. No problem. Here we go. Have some fun. If you got the feet and it's easy, add some style. Cross those feet a little bit more. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away.
Nice!
Feel the groove that's here to stay.
We're gonna roll that again.
Tunes and eerie sound.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away.
One more time, real speed.
Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy rhythms from the ground.
All right, here we go. Last one, real speed. 6, 7, 8.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove.
All right, my friends, I'm going to do it one more time, but I'm going to do it facing you so you can give it a shot.
Midnight creeps and shadows dance. Ghost play spooky games of chance. Tap shoes click on cobblestone. Echoes chill right to the bone. Witches waltz in haunted haze. Jack-o'-lanterns all ablaze. Skeletons in sync they swing. Hearing haunted echoes sing. Come on, let's dance the night away. Feel the groove that's here to stay. Spooky tunes and eerie sound. Creepy
Beautiful, my friends. Thank you so much. If you want to download the song, you can click on the link below. Also at UnitedTaps.com, we have a ton of structured content for both students and teachers. I hope to see you there. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.